Hey guys, Jonathan here, just gonna go over how to replace a Sawzall cord. Mine broke here. So I have this other one that's just completely destroyed. I'm using as parts. So I took this cord out already, and I'm gonna replace it with this one. So what we have to do is just unscrew these holes, or these screws in these holes. Cover comes right off. This one's a little different model, or different than this one. The fact that this has a handle that's rubber. Alright, and just make sure when you put it back in that you get it back in the slots, because that's going to waterproof it. But so then from there, you don't need to unscrew that. You don't need to unscrew that if you don't want to. It might be easier, but cord comes out like there, and then you can see the hot goes in there. That goes in there. So what I do is you can see that the wire's coming in right there, and then it's pushing up against this right here. So what I did is put that in there and twist it there to relieve that pressure, and then pull it out, and it comes right out. So it just popped right out. See if I can't try to get away. It's hard to do with one hand, but see, it just pulls right out. And now you take it. Well, that's the bad one. Now you take it and put it back in here. Hot black goes with the red, white goes here with the other white. So one here needs to be a little longer so that it can reach. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in here, mark it, and peel this black rubber back so that I can get some more room in. Now that I got this cut, I got my wires. Put the black one in first, and you just stick it right in the hole, and push it right in. Just like that. And this one here. Push them in just like that. Fold them up out of the way to where they need to get up and out. Up and out of the way, because you got a screw coming down in here. Put the handle back on. Again, make sure that's nice and tight, because that's going to waterproof it. And then this back on like that. Alright guys, hope that helped.